Looking to plan the perfect adventure to Big Cedar Nature Resort in the Ozark Mountains? There's so much to do, it helps to know the essentials beforehand. That includes where to check in, exploring the property, knowing when and where to eat, checking out all the attractions and events, and knowing what type of cabin or lodge is right for you. So here we go. You won't want to miss a thing at Big Cedar Lodge. Big Cedar fills up fast, so pre-book and select the cabin that will fit your desires. There are 3 lodges full of rustic charm, inviting lakeside cottages, private log cabins in the woods, dog-friendly luxury tents, huts, and camp cabins, even cabins directly on the world's best golf courses. Or go all out with our exclusive accommodations in historic structures like the Caretaker's Carriage House or the Spa Suite built over a bubbling stream. Getting to Big Cedar is a treat. Just come through the main gate and enjoy 3 miles of nature drive. Take a stop at the Overlook to get a glimpse of Table Rock Lake and all the territory you'll soon be exploring. Come down the Overlook and check in at the front desk. This is where Big Cedar will begin to feel like home. Select things like in-cabin dining or turn-down services. Step over to the shop and pick up necessities and luxuries to make your stay beyond comfortable and fun. Before you drive off to your accommodations, take a walk in the main property and enjoy lake views or even challenge each other to a game of mini golf or pickleball. After getting settled in, we recommend planning an evening at Fun Mountain, a casual dinner at Uncle Buck's before you head off to bowling or adventure on the high ropes course. Rack up tickets at the arcade, earn bragging rights with digital crazy darts, or practice your golf game on our Caddyshack simulators or Lucky Putt golf course. Go full throttle on the Thunder Alley go-kart track. And when it's time to calm down for the evening, enjoy drinks and the fire at the Bluefin Lounge, or book a private bonfire on the beach of Table Rock Lake. As the stars come out, make your way back to your cabin and settle in for an evening in the wilderness. And when the sun starts to come up over the lake, start your day with some yoga stretches, or get away for an early tea time on one of our 6 Audubon-certified golf courses. Enjoy breakfast in your cabin, or make your way to Truman Cafe for a hearty start to your day. When everyone is up and around and ready to start the day, rent a canoe, a paddle boat, or a motorboat, and spend a few hours enjoying Table Rock Lake. As the afternoon comes into view, take a scenic drive to a 10,000-acre nature preserve called Dogwood Canyon. Enjoy lunch at a historic mill in view of a 100-foot waterfall. Then explore the canyon on a bicycle or book a tour to the buffalo and elk herds. Go on a horseback ride. Go fishing. Or just let the kids discover nature in the Treehouse and Nature Center. As you come back to the main property, ask to be taken to the Lost Canyon Cave-in Nature Trail, where you will drive a golf cart through a cave and over Amish bridges that span valleys and hollows, leading up to one of the most spectacular overlooks in the Ozark Mountains. As dinner approaches, let the shuttle take you up to Top of the Rock, fine dining at the Osage Restaurant, or drinks below in the Buffalo Bar. Explore the end of the trail wine cellar. Whatever you do, take your time to allow the sun to set and experience the nightly sunset ceremony, where the Civil War cannon fires to end the day. You've had quite a day. Good thing your cabin or cottage is the perfect place to lay your head in nature. Next morning, Devil's Pool offers the most delicious breakfast in the Ozarks. Then, check the kids into Fun Mountain's Kids Club for hours of organized activities. Then take the time to relax in the Cedar Creek Spa, the most serene, secluded reverie in all of Big Cedar Lodge. Come together again and board a boat. Enjoy a lunch cruise on the Lady Liberty Yacht. And when you are back on land, the sun is high and the pools are open. The swimming hole has private cabanas and the bar and grill. But if you'd like, there's the Lazy River over by the Wilderness Club on the edge of the property. Be sure to keep your eye on the calendar of events in case you want to catch afternoon painting sessions, or craft classes, or history tours, or do battle in archery tag. The activities to spend an afternoon are endless. But if you'd like a quieter way to spend the day, go see the Ancient Ozarks Natural History Museum, where the land's Native American and Civil War history has been carefully preserved and displayed. Dinner that night can be casual, with live country music in the Buzzard Bar, where our very own resident singing cowboy, Clay Self, has been entertaining guests for decades. or it can be 5-star dining at the historic Worman House. Enjoy fine crafted cocktails at Harry's Lounge while looking out over Table Rock Lake. The next day as you check out, be sure to stop by the shop to find something memorable for your trip and ask the front desk about specials and deals and memberships. Fun fact, conservation is the first pillar of our company, and it's at the heart of everything we do. Every dime spent at one of our conservation attractions goes directly to support wildlife, clean waters, and habitat management. So by enjoying the Ozarks at Big Cedar, you're helping to preserve them. Remember, Big Cedar fills up fast, and now you know why, so it's a good idea to book your next visit to Big Cedar Lodge. But when you come again, we will be ready to make you at ease in the wilderness at Big Cedar Wilderness Resort.